hand for the last time. Understand how that's what you done to me, baby. Understand how you so let me down. But the whole got through. Why could I give you enough to let me in here? Thank God I got great hair. Understand how that's what you done to me, baby. Understand how you so let me down. You so let me down. Now so fucking got down. You so let me down. Now so fucking got down. You so let me down.
Thank you. All right. And there it goes, ladies and gentlemen. There it goes. Ladies, gentlemen, people who consider themselves others. Thank you. Over at that table, we got free stickers, CDs free, and if you want a t-shirt, $20. These t-shirts these guys are wearing right now. And you know, you can buy a shirt, wipe your face with it if you get a taco, whatever you want to do, just buy a shirt. Hold on. All right, this next song, Day.
6 songs about being not so young and doing this shit. This shit that we all love, and that's why we're all here. And thank you for being here. Gina, Kevin needs a beer.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks to all the bands that came before us and the bands that come after us.
Next up, Corporate Citizen. Then the Plagues. Stick around. Keep having some beers. Supporting the bands. Thank you so much.